Hello friends! In this video, we're covering another guide for the 7-star Hisuian Typhlosion Tera raid. This time we'll be using Manaphy! I've already done a guide using Doxbun, and I'll link that in the description below. Anyways, let's go over what you should use with Manaphy. Your item should be Shell Bell. You should be level 100. Your ability should be Hydration. For EVs, effort values, you want 252 special attack, 252 special defense, and the last 4 in HP. You can switch the special defense and HP if you so choose. I have not noticed a difference no matter which way you do it. For moves, you want Weather Ball, Aqua Ring, Tail Glow, and Rain Dance. Alrighty, in this we're going to be doing one solo run with Manaphy. Let's roll. Alright, I'll be walking you step by step through what you gotta do to make this a successful and pretty safe run. Alright, he goes for Will-O-Wisp at turn 0. Missed, thank you. The Aqua Ring. Aqua Ring's gonna be very helpful. Just to keep us alive. Ooh! Defense cheer, thank you. And the Paralyze is pretty nice too. Goes for Sunny Day. So now that you have the sun up, we're just gonna make it rain. This will make, even if I do get burnt, Hydration will kick in so he doesn't get the bonus power from Infernal Parade, and he'll just keep trying to burn me. There we go. We use Tail Glow. We're going to use this twice so we can get max special attack. The Grassy Terrain kind of helps us here. Oh, but Hydration gets rid of that burn. See? Easy. Let me click my move. Oh, he has to reset some stats first. We Tail Glow a second time. There. Now we can start getting some damage off. Pay attention to rain turns, because that's important. You could use Surf instead, but I like Weather Ball because it's stronger. Now we start Weather Balling. Cool animation too. Yoink! And the Shell Bell healing, between that, Aqua Ring, and the Grassy Terrain, we're pretty good. Burn that doesn't matter. Weather Ball again, this should get him to bring his shield up. Ooh, that did a lot more than I thought it would. Nice. Ow. He only will reset his own stat changes once, so Paralyze stays for the rest of the fight, which is very useful. Not needed, but very useful. Set the rain again. You want to keep rain up all the time because it just makes it easier. I don't like that Focus Blast. That kind of hurts. It didn't hurt enough for me to care. That's gonna do no damage, watch. Peanuts for damage. Third Weather Ball. We should be able to Tera now, after this turn. Thank you, Shell Bell. That's not going to help you, Hydration, buddy. Come on. That's not cool, but you know what? It's fine. We can Tail Glow because we have the rain up, so we're fine. You could just Tera and just throw weather balls, but I have the rain up and it's fine. I also have a decent enough HP pool. Oh, now I'm kind of low. So now with Tera and weather ball. This will mean I get the increased damage from stab, being Tera water, rain boost, and weather ball doubling in power because it's in weather. Look at this damage. I'm not even +6, but smash. There we go. If he resets the sun, we'll just make it rain again. Ah, you set up the sun, so now we'll just use this turn to rain dance. See? And in 2 turns, this raid will be over. Go, Weather Ball, go! Slap him. One more and we're good. Oof. Hydration, though, so it doesn't matter if you keep burning me. Yes! Yes! Oh, never mind. There we go. That's the end of the raid. Not as energetic as some of my other ones, but hopefully this shows how to go through it with Manaphy solo. I believe it's easier to do... Oh, look at that loot. Easier to do with Doxbun, Dashbun, but Manaphy's also a very good one for it if you're solo and or if you're in a group. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one if I find another Pokemon to consistently and cleanly run this raid. Bye, everybody.